What if I told you one TikTok video could explode your dropshipping sales without spending a single dollar on ads? Well, that is possible. And today, we're going to reverse engineer a dropshipping store called Auramat.com that made over $18,000 in sales using nothing but only free traffic from TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. We'll uncover their best-selling products, profit margins, Shopify apps, theme, and their exact organic marketing strategy. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to boost your organic marketing strategy and even build a store that drives serious revenue with little to no ad spend. All right, so let's just jump in right now. Before we dive into why this dropshipping store, Auramat.com, is so successful in generating most of its sales from organic TikTok videos, let's just quickly break down the power of organic marketing on this platform. And the idea is pretty simple. You post videos of your products that you're dropshipping, and ideally videos that can get good engagement, like showing the product in action or presenting in a funny way or interesting way that viewers from around the world who are interested, they can visit your store's TikTok profile and from there click through to buy the product from your dropshipping store. So TikTok is like the traffic source that connects buyers worldwide to your store. But like any other business strategy, this method requires consistency, and you need to post new content almost daily, showcasing the products that you sell. All right, it's important. And here's the exciting part: once one of your videos goes viral, my friends, and reaches millions of views, you can enjoy a huge spike in traffic to your store, which can lead to significant sales. Now that the organic traffic strategy is in place, let's just take a look at Auramat.com. And I really like how they have organized the whole thing here. Now, as you can see, they are a general dropshipping store, and the main menu is clean and well structured. That's just fundamental when you're selling a wide range of products. A well organized main menu like this one right here doesn't just look better, but it also helps improve conversion rates. And right away, you can tell that this store is focused on trendy products with high perceived value. It's a general store, but you can see that the products are carefully curated before being added here. One section that stands out in the homepage is tech accessories, which is likely where the store makes most of its profit. For example, I see here that they are selling phone cases for $25 and up. And from my experience, I know that these cases can be sourced from AliExpress along with worldwide shipping for around $5, $7, which means that the profit margins here are quite high. Let's just take a look at one of their product pages. The images are solid. They show the product in real life use, which is always great for conversions. And the free shipping and secure payment and the 30-day refund right here, these icons definitely help build trust with buyers. So overall, I would say that this store is perfectly organized. It's clean, it's functional, and optimized for conversions. That said, it doesn't use any overly complex design work. And honestly, like creating something similar using Shopify Store Builder is totally achievable. All right, so let's get into the fun part, analyzing the store and uncovering key insights like how many sales and how much revenue it's generating, and what's the best selling products that they have, and which are the Shopify apps they're using, and what marketing strategies they're applying to drive traffic and sales. To do all this, I'm going to use one of ZIK Analytics' most powerful tools, the Store Sales Tracker. And all I have to do is just to copy the store's URL and paste it in the tool and search. And by the way, this works for any Shopify store, not just this one. I'm already seeing some interesting insights right here from this store analysis. First off, it's clear that this store is heavily relying on organic social media. They are active across TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. So they're covering all major organic traffic channels. And on top of that, I can see that they have also been detected using paid ads through Meta. You see right here? So later in this video, I'll actually show you proof that they have used Meta ads in the past, although as of July 2025, they currently have no active ads running. Here's what I'm most curious about. What Shopify apps is this store using? This is super valuable if you want to build a store with the same structure and features. And from my experience, I can tell you, sometimes it only takes one app, that one you didn't even know existed, like to make a big difference in your store's performance and help you finally reach your goals. So let's check it out. Wow. If you ever needed proof that this store is dropshipping from AliExpress and making over 18,000 in sales, they are literally using an app called AliExpress Dropshipping and more. Now, let's talk about profit here. One of the biggest advantages of using organic marketing is simple: higher profit margins. Since you are not paying for traffic like you would with ads, most of your revenue goes straight to profit. To get a better idea of how profitable this dropshipping store really is, let's just check 2 random products that they're selling from this bestsellers list and break down the numbers. Let's start with this one right here. This is blindfolded lady candle right here, and this product is being sold for $42, and I have to say it has a very strong appeal. I can easily see how this would perform well on organic platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Let's check out the sourcing price. I'm just gonna click here in the little AliExpress icon, and yep, I see several exact matches. Let's go with this one right here, and the price here is just $11.28 with no discounts applied, right? And that's a great margin. So after accounting for Shopify fees, this store is making around $29 profit per sale. Since this product sold 12 times in the past 30 days, that's a total of $348 monthly profit from this product alone. And you know what's even better? Most likely, this is net profit because the traffic is coming from free organic marketing. Let's just take a look at another product, this Groovy Star phone case, and it's priced at $24 and has been sold 4 times in the past month. Remember what I said earlier about phone cases having huge profit margins when sourced from AliExpress? Let's see this real profit margin right here, okay? I just click here in the item finder, so many exact matches. Let's go with this one right here. The price is $3.80 plus $1.99 for shipping, since it's an AliExpress choice item priced under $10. The total cost is about $5.79. That means that this store is making around $17 profit per sale after Shopify fees. That's over 75% profit margin. Before we dive into the most important part of this store, which is the organic marketing strategy, if you have found value so far, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe, because it really helps support my work at ZIK and allows me to keep creating tutorials for you. And if you want to use all this tools that I'm using here that I'm showing in this video, well, you can try ZIK Analytics for just $1 for the first week. All right, now let's just take a look at the marketing strategy that this store is using. And for that, I'm just gonna open the social and ads channel section inside the store sales tracker. Let's start with the paid ads. I can see that ZIK has detected a Meta ad account connected to this store. So let's just click on it. Just as I suspected, there are no active paid ads as of July 2025, but we can clearly see that the store has run Meta ads in the past. Now they're just inactive. This is a strong signal that the store is relying primarily on organic marketing, and it looks like it's working because they are not using paid ads anymore. Now that we know this, we can dive deeper into the store's organic marketing channels, which clearly playing a big role in their success. And more importantly, we can take away some valuable insights to apply on our own dropshipping store. So let's start with TikTok. All right, I'll go here and I'm just gonna click here in the icon. First impressions of TikTok, my friends, it looks really solid. I like that they added the free shipping in the bio section along with a direct link to their store, because that makes it super easy for viewers just to click through it and buy after watching a video. And I also see that they have posted a lot of videos, which is a great sign. They're very active. It shows that they are consistently creating content around the products that they sell, especially with phone cases, which, as we have seen, have high profit margins. And these types of videos are known to perform really well on TikTok. In terms of views, they are decent, but what really stands out is the type of content that they are making. Like, almost all the videos are simple. They are original clips of someone holding the product and showing it in use. No special effects, nothing fancy, all right? And it's doing the job. And now, if you are dropshipping multiple products, it may not be realistic to buy every single item just to shoot the content. But here's the good news. Today, you can use AI tools like Google's AI Studio to animate a single product photo and turn it into a short form video content. And trust me, the results look great. It's a smart way just to keep content flowing without spending a fortune on samples. Next, I want to check out the store's Instagram account. I just click here on Instagram, and once again, the same story here. The content is being uploaded daily, which is great to see. And I noticed something really interesting. Like, this store is basically doubling its traffic and engagement by reposting the same videos on both TikTok and Instagram. Honestly, it's a smart move. If you're creating content to TikTok, why not just to post the exact video on Instagram Reels, right? It's quick, it's efficient, and clearly effective, because this store is doing it consistently and clearly it's paying off. Lastly, let's just take a quick look here at their Pinterest account, because this is interesting. All right, so I see, the same pattern here. A lot of great pins have been created, which further proves just how consistent this store is when it comes to investing time and effort into organic social media. What caught my eye through this is the reach. They're getting 99.3K monthly views on Pinterest. That's very impressive. If only a small percentage of those views convert into paying customers, well, that's a serious volume of traffic and potential sales, All right, so let's just zoom out a little bit and highlight the biggest takeaways from this store. Number one would be product selection, because they focus on visually appealing high margin items with low sourcing costs, and these products naturally perform well on platforms like TikTok. Second point, original content. They are not copying other sellers. They are making their own short clips, building brand trust along the way. Third is focused repetition. So they consistently highlight items that have the highest chances of going viral, like phone cases, because those generate the biggest return on investment. 4, consistency wins. This is the biggest takeaway from this store right here. They are posting content every day across multiple platforms, and that consistency is what separates stores that succeed from stores that fail, stores that just stall. Before we wrap up this video, there's one last thing that we need to check, and that is the Shopify theme this store is using. Let's be honest, this store looks great, but it's also clear that they are not using any complex coding here or custom development. With a good Shopify theme and some basic design skills, creating a store that looks like this is totally achievable. And to find out what theme they're actually using, you can just use ZIK Analytics free Shopify theme detector, right? And I'm going to leave the link down here below in the comments. And all you need to do is to paste any Shopify store URL into the tool, and it will instantly show you the theme name. After entering the store's URL, I can see that they are using a theme called Stiletto. If you want to use the same one, you can just search the name of the theme along with Shopify theme after the name. Is do that on Google and it will pop up. So there you have it, one store, one strategy, 18,000 in sales with organic content. And if you found value in this video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, with whatever your thoughts on this video, right? I really appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.